Hey everyone! If you're looking for lightning-fast internet speed and a secure connection, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up perfectly on the HTTP Injector app. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need a better internet experience. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu button, usually found at the top corner of the page. Click it to open a list of server options. Now choose V2Ray Slow DNS server. This option lets you create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS, giving you more stable and secure performance. Next, you'll be taken to a location selection page. Pick your preferred server region. After that, you'll be redirected to an account creation form. Just enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Your new V2Ray VMess server credentials will be generated in seconds. Keep this page open or save the details somewhere safe. Now that you have your server details, we'll set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. First, head over to your device's Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. Tap on it and hit Install. Once installed, open the app. You'll land on the main home page. Just below the Start button, tap the small arrow icon to open a new settings window. In the tunnel type dropdown, select V2Ray and hit Save. Next, click the gear icon on the top right to access advanced settings. Tap V2Ray, and on the new page, click the plus button at the top right corner. Now paste all the server information you saved earlier. Once the data is imported, go back to the home screen and hit Connect. And just like that, you're online, browsing securely, and at high speed using your V2Ray VMess server. There you have it, your complete guide to creating a V2Ray VMess server and setting it up on HTTP Injector. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.